If you want to change the home screen wallpaper on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, just long press an empty space on the home screen and then select wallpaper. Now that opens up the gallery or the theme store where you can pick any wallpaper from the list of many available wallpapers. So for instance, I can pick this and then you can see what it looks like. And if you like it, you can go ahead and tap on apply. And then you can choose whether you want to set as lock screen or a home screen or both. But since we only want home screen, I'll select set as home screen. Simple as that. Now, of course, we'll be seeing ads around the interface. But once that's done, you can go to your home screen and you can see the preview of what that looks like. Of course, you can go ahead and add some effects if you want to. You don't really have to, but if you want to, you can go ahead and add some effects. Now, the problem with this is that you keep seeing ads on this phone. You can choose to blur or not blur. And then once you're happy with it, you can tap on done in the top right corner. And now we have a new home screen wallpaper. Thanks for watching and good luck.